Hey, how's it going guys? Dallas here with Integral Truck. And today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install our Integral Truck rail system kit here on this 2021 Chevy Silverado short bed. And if you're watching this video, it's either A, you just bought our Integral Truck rail system kit for your GM and you want to learn how to install it, or B, you're thinking about getting yourself set up with some really sick rail system kits for your truck. Well, you came to the right place. And before we get started with install, this kit is made for a GM 1500 2019 and present. And we also have options for GM HDs, Ram HDs, Ford F-150s, and Ford Super Duties. And if you don't see anything made for your truck, I can assure you we're trying our best to make our Integral Truck products for other makes, models, and even older generations. It does take some time to do some R&D, but I can assure you we're trying our best. All right, so let's go ahead and get this install started. Here is our Integral rail out of the box. I already have two of the mounting brackets already mounted on our rail, and I left the third one deassembled so that we can assemble it together. The tools you're going to need is honestly just a 3/16 Allen wrench or Allen key, and you also get the rail cleat that comes with per rail. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to go grab this piece, have your toggle bolt, squeeze it, and pretty much you pinch right here so that this toggle bolt does not come loose. Next, you're going to have to attach this piece to here and make sure it slides right in so it looks just like that. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and grab our bolt, and we're going to place our bolt right into this hole right here. And there is a difference between the two. This has a smooth surface and that has like an indent. We're going to place our washer right over. Once the bolt is through, you're going to go ahead and thread that toggle bolt. Right, now that you got this threaded, we are ready for install. All right, so now your rail is ready for install. But now you're thinking, well, I don't see any of these holes on the side of my pickup. Well, usually your GM 1500 has these plastic tabs that go right here. If you have a bed spray liner just like this, sometimes the bed spray liner is over the plastic caps. All you have to do is grab your razor blade and trace the outside, and then grab a flathead, screwdriver, and then pop them out. If you also have a bed liner carpet, you're pretty much going to do the same exact steps if you're comfortable. You grab that razor blade and trace the outside of the plastic cap, and then you pop them out. And there's only 3 caps that you'll have to pop out. And then if you want to have your truck back to OEM and take these rail out, you're going to want to keep your plastic caps just in case so that you don't have any holes just like this. Okay, now that we covered the basics, let's go ahead and install our rail. So you want to make sure that your bolt is threaded just enough to where your toggle bolt can fold just like this. We're going to go ahead and gently slip this guy in here while folded. We're going to go ahead and get the other 2 in. Pretty much do the same thing. Squeeze and push. And there you go. That's what it will look like. And then we're going to go ahead and pop it into place and then get our rail installed. So we are going to go ahead and pop our rail into place. You're going to hear a little pop. There you go. Sometimes you have to put some oomph into it. There you go. Now your toggle bolts are going to hang just as so. And that's when you get your 3/16 Allen key or Allen wrench and start getting after it. Okay, so make sure you guys do not over tighten. We're going to go ahead and make sure they are hand tight. And there you go. Our Integral rail is now installed on this 2021 Chevy Silverado. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the provided cleat. First, you're going to want to remove this end cap piece. Slide this guy in, and you want to pull this tab right back. There you go. Now you got your integral rail cleat installed on your integral rail. There you go. And there's going to be little holes along the rail, and that's just to have the cleat stay locked and secured inside. As you hear that click, that's not going anywhere. And if you want to go ahead and move it, pull that tab back, slide it over to the next hole. There you go. That is your integral rail cleat on your integral rail. And this rail cleat is perfect for extra tie-down points. And if you wanted to add more storage to your integral rail system, all you have to do is get the integral rail system kit. That comes with the integral half panel mounts. And as you see right here on our driver's side, we have 2 mounts mounted on there. And it's pretty dang simple. You want your storage nicely secured and easily removable. Look at that. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. We definitely appreciate the support. And if you just finished installing your rail system on your pickup, thank you guys so much. And if you guys don't have one yet for your truck, what are you waiting for? Visit our website, integraltruck.com. We'll be sharing the latest news on what new accessories that we'll be providing for our integral rail systems, and don't miss out. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one.